Good morning. I wanted to say good morning Vietnam for some reason. Everybody knows the movie, right? Anyway, I'm back at trying to do the video, and yeah, I had a little bit different idea for how to do it, and yeah, even now I'm seeing the buffalo. Maybe I can put the buffalo somehow into the video. Like it's over there. Yeah, I can actually, but it's going to be in the edge. So yeah, I'm going to try to shoot the video again. In between, I'm going to talk to you guys. I have a different idea how I'm going to do it. So this is going to be the beginning scene now, and I'm going to make a slow-mo of my feet basically. Was not my best shot, but that's not the idea on this clip. Yeah, it's just the idea is just to get the footwork in slow motion. And now I need some other clips, and of course I need to collect the discs, which I have now lying around everywhere. Hello buffalo, hello cow, or whatever you are. You're big. And yeah, now moving on to the next location. And yeah, now I have all my stuff with me. I think I need to do a putting clip as well for the slow motion. So it's going to be me throwing and me putting for the beginning of the video. I think it's a good combo. Where did you go? Don't tell me you went too deep into the water. Ah, it's over there. It's not so bad. Probably the other side is better. Just behind the tree. So it takes a little bit of time. So they're still working on this tree. It's slowly dying, but what they have done, they have burned the roots so it will die faster. So in a way they're still working on it. And there's my disc. I have to go get it somehow. Please, no spiders. I'm going to put the camera in front of me because those spider webs with those trees right now, they're everywhere. Like, that's not even a joke. They're seriously everywhere. And yeah, that's that. So yeah, I'm going to go to the basket of hole 4. Today I have this nice hat on and going to do a putting, and we'll see how it will go and what angle to use. I'm going to use the phone to search for the good angle. And yeah, right now nice and quiet. Some beautiful bird songs in the background. And that's the moment when the rooster comes up. That's funny. So I think I'm going to use this basket and this angle. I don't know if this angle is actually good, because probably I can use it filming from this side and putting from the other side because of the shadow. So let's see. If the red disc landed somewhere here, it can be upside down. This is like 6 meters. This is good enough for video. And let's see. I'm going to put you guys down so you can basically watch me work. So I don't know if you're going to get something from this, but yeah, this morning first 10 minutes of this video is going to be this. If I film like everything, how long it takes time to make those little videos, like this is going to be a 30-second video or 1-minute video, something like that, between that time. So like you will see, this episode will be hours. Oh, sorry. It's part of the morning routine basically. And yeah, this is going to be the angle. And yeah, I'm going to probably say some stuff, so let's see how the angle is going to be. This is going to be a test filming. And that moment when I have set up everything, the angle is fine. So that sucks. I can't really. It is what it is. At least now you can hear the boom 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 what I told you. Cannot do video. So today is a bust, and I have to collect my stuff. It is what it is. So maybe try again doing after lunchtime somewhere. So now just collecting my stuff and probably will go and do putting training. Can't change the work schedule. They are on their own schedule as well, so they have to do what they have to do. And it is what it is. I know, I could ask him to stop working for 2 minutes, but he's on a salary. And I can't change that. So I have to try again. At least I can use maybe the first clip that was in the silence. And yeah, can't. And just my hands are completely full of stuff. The guy sees me putting stuff up and starting filming, and then he starts. Well, at least I can play disc golf. That's something, right? Oh, I'm so tired. We played 2 rounds of 11 baskets and I feel so exhausted. I have no words. I think the thing that the game was going bad actually helped me feeling so tired. And yeah, I don't know what today is going to bring. Probably I'm going to try to come and do the video around 3 p.m. and see how the weather is going to be. And yeah, right now it's just super tired. 100% no training tomorrow morning. There's League Unite in the evening. We'll see how it goes. Ooh, I don't know how my hair is. I don't really care because for the last 1 hour the weather is like this. So it's not really heavy rain, but it's been raining for 1 hour like this. So yeah, seems like I'm not going to do any filming anymore today, so the video has to wait. I have some really nice ideas how to do it. Even changed the idea I had for the beginning, what I had in the morning. I have a better idea now. At least I think so. We'll see how it turns out. Anyhow, it's going to be really interesting to see. And yeah, even though, yeah, kind of interesting when it rains, the bikes they're not racing as much. And in the moment when I say that one bike passed me by, and the second bike, that's interesting. Are they listening to me? Are they really listening to me? That's the question. Yeah, anyway, so I have been using my time trying to be in contact with the customs, because I want to get all the information that if anybody wants to send me discs, how to do it, when they're being sent to me for free, how to do it. Like, everything is interesting that way. So yeah, the traffic is quite much, so I'm trying to time my talk. So I called the customs because I was thinking sending an email, it will take forever to get any response. And I called there, and the person who picked up, the English was not so good. Obviously she could speak some English, but the pronunciation over the phone was quite bad. So I didn't really understand anything. I tried to explain what I was trying to ask them, didn't work. So they asked me to send an email. So this is what I did. And since it's almost I think it's close to 3:30 p.m. already, and it's always going to be rainy all evening. If it starts raining around 4 or 5 p.m. it doesn't really matter anymore, because it will get dark 6 p.m. and you can't really go play or anything because it's like completely wet. But actually it's a good thing if I don't play actually this evening, because I still feel so tired. I don't know why. Maybe not enough sleep, because my body doesn't feel any stiff or anything. My elbow is hurting a little bit, but I think it's because yesterday I did too many side arms. So today I did, when we played in the morning, I think I did only like 2 or 3 side arms. So that is fine. And yeah, so there's nothing really to it. So right now just waiting to see what's going to happen with the weather. I think the rain is letting down a little bit, but if you look up, the clouds are still there. And this is like normal electric wiring in Thailand, by the way. Then I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of my day, because the script is ready and the video idea is ready. So I'm just going to enjoy this fresh fruit smoothies. Let me show you the bread. What they got. It's almost sold out. So I'm going to show you the bread. And yeah, sign in later. So this is the bread. Now you can get it from the shop. Get some delicious coffee and some nice bread with it. Right? Cup. A little rain update. It is right now 4:10 p.m. and it just started raining again. We had 10 minutes without any rain, and seems like today, this is going to be today. I've had no information from the customs yet, but yeah, that's the end of the rainy season. Like, it can happen right now, and the way I understand, January should be the date where it should basically stop raining, when you can't expect rain anymore. So it is what it is, and just enjoy what you have. And I am. I'm going to enjoy cupcake. So the raining stopped for the time being, and I have to go to the store. So this is my option. Like the street is flooded. Ooh, car coming. Let me stand here. Thank you for making me wet. So yeah, don't really have option right now, because I have to go to 7-Eleven, which is right here, this building around the corner. Ooh. There's someplace, there's road. Oh, actually the water is going to some places. So that's interesting. And let's see, that way looks clear, that way in the back is raining. So this is Thailand. The water has officially receded from the street, and it looks quite dry, but it's already so late. I'm going to sign off for today. I feel extremely tired. I'm just going to go to my room, lay down, rest, and start over again tomorrow. That's life. And hopefully tomorrow I can do the video stuff finally, because it's already dragging along a lot. So morning I'm not going to do any training, just going to concentrate on the video and just take my time. And if you're on the island, this is a must visit. You can see all the time there's customers here, because they have the best cakes with the best price. and now they have the best coffee, or the smoothie, or the tea, hot ice, whatever you need, and buttery bread as well. Some days, probably because it's going out fast. Okay, have a beautiful day. Not a nice day, just a beautiful day, and see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.